Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you how to make this cool radial blur text effect. This is a cool tip to help you customize your text. Let's jump straight into it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight to my effects panel. I'm going to type in Gaussian blur and I'm going to drag that on top of my text. As you can see, I've got two pieces of text. I've got text and effect. I'm going to click my top layer and I'm going to go straight to my control panel. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to increase the blurriness of my text. So I'm going to increase it to around 35. Make sure that you got horizontal and vertical and make sure repeated edges is ticked. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to create a mask. Now as you can see here with this circle, anything that's inside of it is blurred, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I come down here and I click inverted, and this way the blur is outside of my mask. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to adjust it to make sure that I'm adding blur to the corners of the text or the bottom part of the text. And then I'm going to increase my feather to around 150 just so that there's a smooth kind of blend between the blur and it's not harsh. And yeah, I've done the same for the top. And there you go, my people. If you've liked what you've seen, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.